We check out this spot in Clark, and honestly, this is not your ordinary cafe. Welcome to Andante Cafe Lounge. Dati, you'd come here for coffee and pastries, pero ngayon, it's a full-on dining experience.
We are offering pastry which we use premium ingredients from Korea. So we use premium flour and premium butter.
Hindi lang po croissants yung focus namin. Even po yung mga cakes. Quality ingredients din po yung nire-use namin. Hindi po kami nag-use ng local, ganun. More on, quality.
From soup and salads to pasta, main entrees and desserts. It's a cafe restaurant.
Ang pinagmamalagi po ng Andante is we have two variety of beans. Meron po kami ng Primera and Exotic. Exotic, ano lang po siya sa Pandan Americano, and Orange Americano. Ang Primera naman po is over rice, mga flavored drinks po namin.
Meron po tayong blue lemonade, tsaka yung peach plum, at tsaka yung citrus passion pop.
So kung coffee date man o full meal ang hanap mo, covered ka dito.
All is fresh po. So we do not use mga extra yung mga bechin or lahat po is fresh. Even oil is we use olive oil.
But here's where it gets interesting. They now have a third floor space na event ready. Perfect for intimate gatherings. Kayang mag-accommodate up to 150 packs. So pwede for birthdays, meetings, or even small celebrations. Plus, flexible pa sila. You can customize the menu based on your budget and preference. Hindi ka locked sa fixed packages, which is a big plus if you want something more personal.
We will have a static menu na pwedeng readily ma-order nyo kapag group gatherings. Pwede po natin i-customize yung mga menu na gusto nyo for your events.
Sa mga nagbibilang naman sa calorie, lalo na yung mga nagaran sa parade ground, they also have their healthy bowls.
Si Healthy Bowl naman, we decided to offer it para meron tayong option. So, as we know, yung CDC, parang parade ground siya, maraming nag-run, maraming nag-jog. So, we wanted to give option para dun sa mga more on healthy leaning na mga kasama po natin.
Overall, Andante Cafe is slowly becoming more than just a cafe. It's shaping up to be a go-to spot in Clark, not just for food trips, but for moments that matter.
Please visit Andante po. We are open from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Every day po, you should try our coffees and our pastries po because that's what our pride po.
This is Patricia Mabangon on the spot.